Hi friends, welcome to Java programming language. In the class we are discussing about data types in Java. Data types in Java are mainly useful in order to declare variables. Variables అనేవి డిక్లేర్ చేయడానికి డేటా టైప్స్ అనేవి యూజ్ చేస్తాము. జావా ఈ స్ట్రాంగ్లీ టైప్డ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ అంటే వేరియబుల్స్ అనేది డిక్లేర్ చేయడానికి డేటా టైప్స్ అనేవి మెయిన్గా యూజ్ చేస్తాము జావాలో. అండ్ కంపేర్ టు పైథాన్ ఈజ్ లూజ్లీ టైప్డ్ లాంగ్వేజ్. దట్ మీన్స్ దెర్ ఈజ్ నో నీడ్ టు డిక్లేర్ ఎనీ వేరియబుల్ ఇన్ పైథాన్. సో ఇది స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉంటుంది. సో వేరియబుల్ అనేది డిక్లేర్ చేయాలి. డిక్లేర్ చేయాలంటే డేటా టైప్స్ని యూజ్ చేయాలి. సో డేటా టైప్స్ ఆర్ టూ టైప్స్, ప్రిమిటివ్ డేటా టైప్స్ అండ్ నాన్ ప్రిమిటివ్ డేటా టైప్స్. Primitive data types are 8 types and non-primitive data types are 4 types. And coming to primitive data types, the types of primitive data types are boolean, char, byte, short, int, long, float and double. And coming to non-primitive data types are arrays, class, interfaces, string. And primitive data types means primitive data type specifies the size of type, variable and values. It is also nothing but a basic data type. They are divided into similar data types. First one, Boolean type. Boolean type can store either true or false. They can use it to check whether two values are equal or not. Boolean type అనేది ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్ని చెక్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేస్తాము. ఇచ్చిన టూ వాల్యూస్ని ఈక్వల్గా ఉన్నాయా లేదా అని చెక్ చేస్తుంది. అండ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ లైక్ కండిషనల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఏంటి? ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్. ఇఫ్ అవి ఇచ్చిన స్టేట్మెంట్ అనేవి ట్రూవా లేక ఫాల్సా అనేది చెక్ చేస్తుంది. సో బూలియన్ అనేది కూడా సేమ్ అలాగే ఇట్ స్టోర్స్ ద ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్. అండ్ కమింగ్ టు char type. Char is also one type of data type. It stores the single character. It stores lowercase character or uppercase character, but it must be enclosed with single quotes. The char data type in Java supports the unique character and provides the provision like multiple languages like English, French, German, etc. And it takes memory space of 16 bits or 16 bits means 1 byte equals to 8 bits and 2 bytes equals to 16 bits. It takes the memory space 16 bits. The range between 0 to 65536. And coming to integer type. An integer type stores an integer number with number, fractional or decimal places. Like Java has 4 integer types: byte, short, int, long. Integer means it is an whole number that can be means it can be positive, negative or zero. It does not have any fractional or decimal part. Fractional means like 1/2 and decimal means 2.5. Like it is an integer type. In integer type, the first one is byte. It is an integer primitive data type. It is used to save memory in large arrays where memory savings are most needed. And it is also a smallest data type in primitive integer type. Okay. And the size of byte is 8 bits. That means 1 byte. And its range is -128 to 127. And coming to short is an 16-bit means 2 bytes. 2 complement integer. It stores the whole number with value ranging from 32768 to 32767. It is a default value. And coming to int is an 32-bit. That means 4 bytes. 2 complement integer that stores the integral values ranging from 2147836648 to 2147483647. It range, and it is the default data type for integer value in Java. And coming to long is an 64 signed 2 complement integer that stores the value ranging from 9223376 some numbers to and some numbers. It is used when we need a range of value more than those provided by int. Its default value is OL. This data types ends with L or capital small l or capital L. And coming to float type. Floating point is used to expression involves the fractional precision. Precision means the number of digits used to represent a number. It has two types, float and double. Float, it is a floating point data type that stores the values including their decimal precision. It is not used for precise data such as currency or research data type. And type float. Type float, its size is 32-bit, that means 4 bytes. Range approximately plus or minus equals to 3 point something into 10 power 38. And coming to double, the double data type is similar to float. The difference between the two, that is double twice. Float in the case of decimal precision, it is used for decimal values just like float, and should not be used for precise values. These are the primitive data types. And coming to non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types, or it is also called as a reference data types. It refers to instance or object. They cannot store the values of a variable directly in memory. They can store a memory address of the variable. Unlike primitive data types, we can define by Java. Non-primitive data types are user defined. Programs create them and can be assigned with null. In null programming data types are equal size. And coming to types of non-primitive data types, there are 4 types of non-primitive data types. One array, second one class, third one interference, fourth one string. Coming to array, an array holds elements of the same type. It is an object in Java, and the array name is a reference value that carries the base address of the continuous location of element and array. And coming to string, second one, it is also a non-primitive data type. A string data type stores a sequence of array character. A string is a non-primitive data type, but it is predefined in Java. String literally are enclosed in double quotes. It should be double quotations. And coming to class, a class is an user defined data type